So far, we have built a mortgage calculator and added full screen support. Now, let's introduce routing to transform this into a small multi-page financial tool. The idea is simple. We'll create two routes. The base path will show the basic mortgage calculator, and the /affordability route will show the affordability calculator. Let's get started. First, create two JSX files, basic.jsx and affordability.jsx. Next, move the mortgage logic from new component to basic.jsx. On the affordability route, we'll build a simple home affordability calculator. This component uses 4 state variables to store income, debts, interest rate, and the calculated result. We'll add inputs for these values along with a button to trigger the calculation. When the user clicks the button, we calculate and display the maximum monthly mortgage and the maximum home price they can afford. Now import both these components in new component.jsx. And here we will define two routes. First one is basepath / to render basic mortgage calculator. Second is /affordability to render affordability calculator. And if you notice, we do not need to wrap our routes in browser router. Because in index.jsx, our component is already wrapped with the withHD higher order component, which automatically provides routing. To navigate between the two routes, let's add the tabs. Using MUI tabs to switch between Basic Calculator and Affordability Calculator. Current tab is calculated based on the current path, and Handle Change navigates to the required route based on the current tab value. With all changes in place, let's test in UI. As you see now, we have two tabs that switch to two different routes. On Base Route, we have Mortgage Calculator. On clicking Affordability tab, we switch to Affordability Calculator. And in address bar with component param, you can see your current route. If the requirement is to always open the affordability calculator in full screen mode when the affordability tab is selected, we can achieve this by triggering a full screen transition on component mount. When the breakdown component mounts, switch full screen callback should be invoked with true and route changed as parameters. This ensures that navigating to the affordability route automatically switches the view to full screen. With this implementation in place, clicking on the Affordability tab will both navigate to the corresponding route and render the calculator directly in full screen mode. And that's it! This is how we introduce routing in our standalone component. In the next video, we will see how we bind our component with keywords and regexes. Thanks for watching, and happy building with hyperDart!